In order to shut down or delete your Google business profile, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go to business.google.com, sign into your Google business profile. After you do that, choose your business, select the business that you want to remove, and then click on the three dots over here. Tap on business profile settings, and there you will see the option of remove business profile, that is between advanced settings and linked accounts. Tap on it. This will mark this business as closed, which will transfer ownership or permanently remove this profile. Once you tap on it, you will get two different options, that is stop managing this profile, which is transfer primary ownership to another manager before leaving the profile, or permanently remove your profile content and managers. Tap on remove profile. Remember that all the post photos, videos that is added by you will be removed, and you and the other managers won't be able to recover or manage your profile content. All the associated websites and Google Ad contents will also be removed. Before you delete, you can download your content, you can export a copy for a backup or to use with the service outside of Google. After that, click on continue, click on remove, that is also highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. You can see the indication that profile content and managers are removed. Now tap on done. Once a profile is deleted, it cannot be restored. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.